Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and the bell notification to get notified whenever we upload a video. And thank you for such a positive response on our previous video. It really means a lot to us. So today we're going to talk about the Paras Defense and Space Technologies IPO, and this is the All You Need to Know IPO series. Paras Defense and Space Technologies are primarily engaged in the designing, developing, manufacturing, and testing of a variety of defense and space engineering products and solutions. The company has 5 major product category offerings. The first one is defense and space optics. The second is defense electronics. The third is heavy engineering. The fourth is electromagnetic pulse protection solutions. And the fifth is niche technologies. Paras Defense and Space Technologies is the only Indian company with the design capability for space optics and optomechanical assemblies and is one of the leading providers of optics for various Indian defense and space programs. The company also delivers customized turnkey projects in the defense segment. It has partnered with some of the leading technology companies around the world to indigenize advanced technologies in the defense and space sectors for the Indian market. It has 2 manufacturing plants in Maharashtra and is in the process of expanding its current manufacturing facility at Nerul in Navi Mumbai. The competitive strengths of the company are as follows. It has a wide range of products and solution offerings for defense and space applications. It is one of the few manufacturers of optics for space and defense applications in India. The company's offerings are aligned with the Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives by the government. It has strong R&D capabilities with a focus on innovation. It has strong customer relationship with government arms and government organizations, and it has a strong experienced management. The objects of the issue as to why the company is being listed are as follows. The primary reasons are for fund capital expenditure requirements, for funding incremental working capital requirements, for repayment or prepayment of all or a portion of certain borrowings or outstanding loan facilities availed by the company, and for general corporate purposes. We can have a look at the company financials here. So, if we take a look at the company financials, it has posted declining trends in its top and inconsistency in the bottom lines for these periods. For the last 3 fiscals, it has posted an average EPS of rupees 6.20 and an average return on net worth of 11.94%. The issue is priced at a price to book value of 3.17 based on its net asset value of rupees 55.23 as of March 31st, 2021, and a price to book value of 2.12 based on its post issue net asset value of rupees 82.53 per share. The IPO details are here under. The IPO opens on September 21, 2021 and remains open until the September 23rd. It is a book built issue IPO with a face value of rupees 10 per equity share. The IPO price is 165 to 175 per equity share. The market lot and the minimum order quantity remain 85 shares. The IPO is going to get listed at the BSE and the SME. And the offer for sale remains 17,24,490 equity shares of rupees 10 aggregating up to 30.18 CR. You can have a look at the timetable here. So the IPO opens on September 28th, 2021. It closes on September 22nd. The basis of allotment date is September 27th. The initiation of refunds takes place on September 28th, and the credit of shares to demat account also takes place on the same date, that is September 28th, of course. And the IPO finally gets listed on September 30th, 2021. The Paras Defense and Space Technologies IPO market lot size is 85 shares. A retail individual investor can apply for up to 13 lots, that is 1105 shares or 1,93,375. So that will be all from my side for this video. I hope it was helpful and informative for you all. Please stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye. See you.